Okay, today we're here at Warren Diesel. We do Powerstroke performance transmissions, and we have a little bit of inventory here. We practically get a pallet load of converters from Gorin almost every day, so we have lots of them in stock. We try to keep, several transmissions in stock, but we're always backlogged quite a bit. But yeah, for all your Powerstroke needs, anything from the 7.3 all the way up to the new 6.7s, would be more than happy to help you out. So y'all have a good day.
My name's Ira. I work for Warren Diesel Transmission and American Driveline. I am the cleaning guy around here. So I'll tear down the transmissions, clean the parts, put them in the wash cabinet. We'll talk about that later. And yeah, that's all I do around here. So this is basically everything in a 6R140 tranny. A lot of stuff. Tail housing, center support. Don't quote me on this. I'm not actually sure what that is. This is a pinion, and then this is basically where all the magic happens in here. Snap ring in here. Pull that out. Set that off. See, clutches are a little fried. Ain't much left to them anymore. Bearing here and a bearing in there. And these things here, a lot of your failures, this bearing here in the overdrive pack will bust, and it'll tear this all up here. So basically I just check for imperfections, and if we can use the parts again, we do. If not, throw them in the scrap bin. This is the overdrive clutch pack here. I know a little. I've only been here since January. See, they're fried too. Not supposed to look like yet. Pull that up. Seal busted there. Might have been some of the cause of this one failure. Get the piston out of her, and we'll reuse these. A little basket, another little snap ring in here. Where's my little pick at? So yeah, I basically do everything Andy does, just in reverse. Little planetary gear there, pretty good. them got some wear to them. Not bad. Now, like all the clutches, we don't reuse them. We put new ones in. Flip this thing over. Put an old pump on. Grab my air hose. And that's basically a 6R140 all tore down. Okay, and then after we get done tearing down and scrubbing, I'll bring them over here, put them in the wash. This is actually an 03 5R, getting ready for Monday morning's project. Got some there and some on the shelf drying off. And then I also do the preps on all the cases. You know, I shine them up, clean them up, clean all the surface areas up. Get them ready to ship out to you guys.